For outdoor cooking enthusiasts, the best portable grill table provides convenience, durability, and ample workspace for prepping and grilling anywhere. Perfect for camping, tailgates, and backyard barbecues, these versatile tables make outdoor cooking organized, efficient, and enjoyable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Leteuke 22-inch grill table. The Leteuke 22-inch grill table is a versatile and sturdy outdoor cooking solution designed to meet the needs of grill enthusiasts who enjoy both functionality and durability. Measuring 43-inch D by 17-inch W by 30-inch height, this multifunctional grill cart accommodates grills up to 31-inch by 17-inch, including Ninja grills, Uni pizza ovens, Top grills, and propane camping stoves. Its heavy-duty carbon steel top provides ample workspace for meal preparation, making it not just a cooking station but a complete outdoor prep area. Built with a robust carbon steel frame using a professional welding process, the table can support up to 450 pounds, ensuring it remains stable and reliable even under heavy use. The Leteuke grill table is designed for convenience as well. It features flexible wheels and ergonomic handles, allowing for easy movement and stability whether cooking on your patio or transporting it for a camping trip. Additionally, its foldable design makes it compact and portable, enabling you to carry it effortlessly indoors or outdoors. Storage is another strength of this grill table. A spacious bottom board can hold a 20-pound gas cylinder, while the top and sides are equipped with 4 multifunction hooks, a knife holder, a tissue box, and bottle openers to keep your grilling tools organized and within easy reach. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions, so you can spend more time cooking and less time setting up. Number 2. Feasto Storage Cabinet Grill Table. The Feasto Storage Cabinet Grill Table is an impressive, multifunctional outdoor kitchen solution designed to elevate any backyard cooking or entertaining experience. This unit seamlessly doubles as a grill cart, outdoor bar, food prep station, or even a pizza oven stand, making it an invaluable accessory for anyone who enjoys hosting or cooking outside. Its sturdy and well-engineered construction provides the stability and reliability needed to handle heavy cooking equipment while offering the flexibility to adapt to a wide variety of tasks. Whether you are prepping ingredients, serving drinks, or setting up your portable grill, this table is designed to make outdoor cooking more convenient and organized. One of the standout features of the Feasto Storage Cabinet Grill Table is its premium 304 stainless steel top. This high-quality surface not only resists rust and corrosion, but also makes cleanup quick and easy after use. Because it is food-safe and water-resistant, you can confidently prepare meals directly on the surface without worry. This durable material extends the table's lifespan, ensuring that it will remain a functional part of your outdoor kitchen for years to come. Number 3. EUTRKei Top Grill Table. The EUTRKei Top Grill Table is an all-in-one outdoor cooking stand designed for both professionals and casual grill enthusiasts. Its portability and functionality make it perfect for Blackstone griddles, top grills, pizza ovens, and other outdoor cooking setups. Featuring 4 smooth rolling wheels, this cart can easily be moved across patios, driveways, or campgrounds. The double shelf design, foldable condiments caddy, magnetic tool holder, safety locks, anti-slip top mat, nylon straps for gas hoses and grease cups, paper towel holder, bottle opener, and stainless steel hooks make it an exceptionally organized prep station for outdoor cooking. Designed to support up to 300 pounds, this grill table is solid and stable, ensuring safety while cooking heavier equipment or food loads. Portability is a key feature as it folds down in 3 easy steps. Remove the bottom shelf, fold the legs, and lock the frame. Once compacted, it fits conveniently in trucks or cars, making it ideal for camping trips, picnics, or tailgating. The oversized top surface provides 527 square inches of workspace, ample for prepping food, holding utensils, and setting up side dishes. The bottom shelf can store plates, tableware, or additional ingredients, streamlining the cooking process. Number 4. Leteuke Blackstone Grill Table. The Leteuke Blackstone Grill Table offers a perfect blend of portability, convenience, and robust construction for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Designed as an on-the-go prep table, it requires no tools and is ready for instant grilling, making it ideal for patios, camping, backyard barbecues, and parties. Its expanded top provides ample space for prepping and serving food, compatible with major grills including Blackstone griddles, Ninja grills, Uni ovens, tabletop grills, and propane camping stoves. The foldable design transforms the table into a compact carry case for effortless transport and storage, whether moving it indoors or outdoors. Smart storage features enhance the grilling experience, with collapsible fabric shelves that hold utensils, seasonings, and other essentials within easy reach. This ensures your outdoor cooking station is organized and efficient, saving time and effort while grilling. The grill table's carbon steel top and heavy-duty frame provide strength and stability, making it capable of supporting larger equipment and heavy food loads. Equipped with 5 versatile hooks, a trash bag holder, tissue dispenser, and bottle opener, the Leteuke Blackstone Grill Table is designed for both convenience and functionality. Its user-friendly setup and thoughtful design make it suitable for beginners and experienced grillers alike. With its sturdy construction, ample workspace, and portable design, this grill table serves as a reliable companion for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Number 5. LKVHV Movable Grill Table. The LKVHV Movable Grill Table is a versatile outdoor cooking station designed for convenience, portability, and functionality. It accommodates grills up to 31-inch by 17, including Blackstone griddles, Uni pizza ovens, tabletop grills, and most portable camping stoves, providing a flexible solution for backyard barbecues, picnics, and camping trips. The grill table features a patented accordion-style collapsible spice rack, removable paper towel holder, magnetic toolbar, and 4 multifunctional tool hooks to keep utensils and cooking tools organized and within reach. Mobility is a key advantage, as its wheels can swivel 360 degrees for easy movement, and once positioned, the locking button secures it firmly in place. The table folds in just 20 seconds, allowing it to fit conveniently into the back seat or trunk of any vehicle, making it ideal for on-the-go grilling. The LKVHV grill table is constructed with high-quality metal for durability, ensuring long-term use while supporting heavy cooking equipment and food loads. Its portable design allows users to set up a complete outdoor cooking station almost anywhere, transforming spaces into efficient prep and cooking areas. The combination of portability, smart storage, and durable construction makes it an excellent companion for both casual and professional outdoor chefs. From camping trips and park picnics to backyard parties, this grill table adapts to various outdoor cooking environments while keeping everything organized and accessible.